Hello class, this is a video tutorial on understanding Venn diagrams. So we'll take this as our example so we can get our head around it. So a survey of 40 people were asked if they owned either a dog or a cat. And here are the results. 20 were dog owners, 15 were cat owners, and 9 said they had neither. The first thing that we should always do is check and see if these actually add up to the 40, because these numbers 20 plus 15 plus 9 should not exceed 40. Take a look. 20 plus 15 plus 9 gives us 44. That's 44 total. Whenever this happens, it must mean that 4 people have been counted twice, right? And the place that they're counted twice is that in this section, the dogs and the cats. Because if you said neither, then you can't be in this group and in this group, because neither means you're completely out of these two groups, which means there are 4 people that own both. A dog or cat. So now what we do, so we can better understand this, is there are actually 2 groups, or you can think of it 2 events. So we have group, we'll make the dogs, group D for dogs. Alright, so for the group of dogs, there are 20 owners. And for the group of cats, we'll label it C. For cat owners, there are 15 cat owners. 15 owners. And N for neither, N. And there are 9 neither. So now if we were to represent this graphically, we do it in what's known as a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram looks like the following. It can be in any manner of way, but the most common way that I've seen it done is with a circle. So here we have a circle, and this is the group of all dog owners, D for dog. And then here is another circle, and C for cat owners. Okay, now as we can see that there is this overlap, because there exists a group of people in here that own both, which we have already calculated, which is this one here, 4. There are 4 dog and cat owners. So I'm going to put a little 4 there. But now, if we consider, are we going to put 20 in this one? A little question mark there. And 15 in this one. Well, if you think about it, when we added these up, 20 plus 15 plus 9, it gave us 44. So it's telling us that these 4 people are already part of this group. So this 20 should represent the people, the dog owners, who only own dogs. So instead of 20, we're going to put 20 minus the 4 that overlap. So there should only be 16 people in this group. Similarly, instead of 15, we're going to take the 15 cat owners and subtract it by the 4, because in this group there are only 11 people who only own cats. And then on the outside here, put a little 9, because these 9 belong to neither of these groups. So, and then we draw a little box around all of it. And then, just for good measure, I put 40 total. Now if we add all these up, 16 plus 4, 16 plus 4 plus 11 plus 9, we get the matched amount of people there. Now, there's a few special terminologies that we get from Venn diagrams. Okay, so the first terminology I'd like to introduce you to is unify. So it looks like this. It's A, so group A, some group of A, U for unified, with some group B. A unified with B. And if we were to draw this graphically as a Venn diagram, it'll look like this. If we have some group A, some group B, and we have the Venn diagram on the outside, A unified with B would be this region here. I'm going to shade it. It's A or B. Okay, and this in words we could also say it's the same as A or B. It's either or. Now, just to clarify that a little bit, we'll take this as our example, the dogs and the cats. Well, if we ask what would D, the dog owners, unified with C be? Well, we could rewrite this as dogs or cats. So this group of dogs or cat owners, how many will there be? Well, the dog owners, only dog owners, so D, so only dog owners, there are 16. Only cat owners, there are 11. And with both, there are 4. So D unified with C, there are 20, that is 31 people in this group. So 31 people inside the group D unified with C. The next one I'd like for us to pay close attention to is the group A intersect. It'll look like this. A intersects like an upside down U. It's not an N, it's like an upside down U. Intersect with B. What that looks like is if I have some group, let's say that's group A, let's say that's group B, and here's the rest of the group. A intersect would be that region there, only where they intersect. In words, it's A and B. So can you see how this group here, they satisfy both A and B. So for our example again, if we had D intersect with C, that is dog owner and a cat owner. Well, we've already calculated through our Venn diagram which ones are dogs and cat owners. So this group contains 4 people in group D intersect with C.